Well, friends, today we're going to do a little due and due date review. It's been a while, so I want to see how much you remember. I'll begin and have you do some echoes after me, and then we'll change it up and have you do it on your own. So here we go. Do, due day, do. Due day, due day, due day. Due day, due day, do. All right, now let's have you do it on your own. I will start you off, and then I will pretend as though I'm echoing you so that you know if you did it right or wrong. Here we go. 1, 2, your turn, go. Do, due day, do, do. Due day, do, do. Due day, do, do. Due day, do, do. How'd you do? That's funny, kind of. How'd you do? Do day, do. Anyway, until next time, see you later.